I really enjoyed how interactive it was. It was a nice workshop, and he got us up moving around, using the cards so that when we take the cards back with us, we can actually apply them with our teams rather than just like kind of doing it theoretically. But yeah, it was very interactive and engaging. So that's what I really liked about it. Everyone was so welcoming and willing to share ideas. Because I've worked at my same organization for 19 years. It's nice to meet people outside of that, and especially here with the partnership. I am a trainer with an embedded team in the customer asset management department. So training new hires, onboarding, but also doing some leadership development as well as projects. Definitely energetic, passionate, and knowledgeable. He has been working in this coaching realm and is so willing to share his knowledge and is excited about it too. So you want to do what he does, and he also has actionable items, and especially these cards. What a brilliant way to take something back to your team to apply the methods that he has found so successful.
I just loved the environment and the welcoming vibes that I got from it. I just assumed that I was going to be part of an audience and then just listen to what Mike had to say, not as much have it come back on me. So I feel like I'm leaving here today with a lot of pieces of advice. You can get up there and, have jokes, but where it's not 100% serious, you feel comfortable being there. And I think my goal coming into this was to pick up on things that I can go back to my job and say, hey, this is how I'm going to apply it. And not only do I feel like that, but I feel like I'm going back to work today, especially being excited and ready.